Today we will go through our favorite beaches in Italy. We will see urban beaches, rural beaches, and remote beaches. For each of them, we will then give you our personal evaluation of water quality, quality of the beach, prices, best time to go. Urban beaches are the beaches where it is possible to take advantage of the services that an urban center can offer, and in addition to daytime beach life, it is also possible to enjoy entertainment in the nightlife. On the other hand, however, it is more likely, especially in high season, to find them overcrowded. Far from large urban centers, rural beaches are still found in stable inhabited agglomerations. Not always easily reachable by car or public transport, they are often ideal for those looking for a compromise between relaxation and exploration of the surroundings. Remote beaches can only be reached on foot or by boat. They are the ideal destination for those who don't like too many people around and are looking for maximum relaxation and uncontaminated nature. The first urban beach of our selection is Ricin. The beach stretches for miles, characterized by its soft, golden sand that gently slopes into the waters of the Adriatic Sea. The shallow, warm waters make it ideal for families with young children, as well as for those who enjoy swimming and water sports. Ricin Beach is well equipped with a plethora of amenities designed to enhance the visitor experience. Luxurious beach clubs, known locally as bagni, provide comfortable sun loungers, umbrellas, and excellent service, ensuring a day at the beach is as relaxing as it is enjoyable. Many of these clubs offer additional facilities such as swimming pools, spas, and fitness areas. Ricin is famous for its vibrant social scene. The beachfront promenade, Viale Ceccarini, is lined with chic cafes, trendy bars, and gourmet restaurants. As the sun sets, the area comes alive with nightlife, offering everything from elegant cocktail bars to lively nightclubs, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Ricin Beach is easily accessible, with excellent transport links. The town is served by a well-connected train station, and the Federico Fellini International Airport in Rimini is just a short drive away. Ample parking facilities make it convenient for those traveling by car. Nestled on the picturesque Favignana Island, part of the Egadian Islands off the coast of Sicily, Lido Beruna is a stunning beach that captivates visitors with its natural beauty and tranquil ambience. The beach gently slopes into the sea, where the water is a mesmerizing shade of turquoise, so clear that you can see the sandy bottom even at a distance. It's an ideal spot for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The beach offers ample space to spread out, ensuring that visitors can enjoy their own private slice of paradise. Lido Beruna is easily accessible from the main town of Favignana. It's a short bike ride or drive away, with ample parking available nearby. For those who prefer a more active approach, the beach can also be reached by walking or cycling along the picturesque coastal paths. While Lido Beruna is a destination in itself, its location on Favignana Island means there are plenty of other attractions to explore. Visitors can take a boat tour around the island, visit the historic Tannara di Favignana, a former tuna processing factory turned museum, or explore the island's charming town with its quaint shops and delicious seafood restaurants. Golfo di Orsi, beaches and coves. The Golfo di Orsi is renowned for its stunning coastline, characterized by dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and pristine beaches. They can be reached only by boat. Cala Gulleritz is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit location. Known for its striking limestone pinnacle that rises from the sea, this beach is a paradise for rock climbers. The pebble beach and clear blue waters make it ideal for diving and snorkeling. The beach is a protected area, so you must leave the dinghy outside the cove and swim to the beach. Cala dei Gabbiani is known for its tranquility. The beach is less frequented, providing a quiet retreat. The combination of white pebbles and transparent waters creates a pristine environment, perfect for those looking to relax and enjoy nature. Piscina di Venire are in a smaller, more secluded beach. The beach is less crowded, offering a peaceful escape. The rocky outcrops and clear waters make it a great spot for snorkeling and exploring. The beach of Cala Sistine is wider than many others in the Golfo di Orsi, with fine sand and clear waters. Other than by boats, it can be reached also by a scenic hiking trail, making it a favorite for adventurers. The Liti di Comacchio, located in the Emilia-Romagna region along the Adriatic coast, consists of 7 beach resorts, each with its own unique characteristics and attractions. All the beaches are well equipped with modern amenities, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable stay for visitors of all ages. We have selected 3 of them. Lido di Spina is the southernmost and most artistic of the 7 resorts. It features wide sandy beaches that are perfect for sunbathing and beach sports. Surrounded by lush pine forests and close to the Comacchio lagoons, offering opportunities for nature excursions. Lido degli Estensi is the most fashionable and lively of the Liti di Comacchio. It is known for its vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants, and offers a wide range of shopping options, entertainment venues, and beachfront activities. Lido del Nazione is in northern side of the area. A bit more quiet of Lido di Spina and Lido degli Estensi features also a large artificial lake where visitors can enjoy various water activities. The whole area of Liti di Comacchio is part of the Padelta Regional Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its diverse flora and fauna. The beach of Portonovo, located on the Adriatic coast in the Marche region of Italy, is a true gem known for its natural beauty, crystal-clear waters, and unique setting at the foot of Monte Canero. The Adriatic Sea here is renowned for its crystal-clear waters, which are perfect for swimming. The clarity of the water allows for excellent visibility, making it a favorite spot for underwater exploration. Unlike many sandy beaches, Portonovo features a mix of pebbles and shingle, giving it a unique texture and appearance. Napoleon's Fort, also known as Fortino Napoleonico, was built in the early 19th century and now serves as a luxury hotel. It offers a glimpse into the area's military history. Portonovo is home to 2 small lakes, Lago Grande and Lago Profondo, which are separated from the sea by narrow strips of land. These lakes add to the area's unique ecosystem and are interesting spots for birdwatching and nature photography. Cala Conari is located on Spargi Island within the Maddalena archipelago. Its remote location and limited accessibility contribute to its pristine condition. The waters at Cala Conari are exceptionally clear, with shades of blue and green that vary with the depth. The clarity of the water makes it perfect for swimming and observing marine life. The beach features fine, white sand that is soft and inviting. The sand, combined with the turquoise waters, creates a stunning contrast that is visually appealing. Cala Conari is accessible primarily by boat. Visitors often take boat tours from La Maddalena or Palau, which includes stops at various beaches in the archipelago, including Cala Conari. The beach remains untouched by commercial development, preserving its natural state. There are no restaurants, bars, or amenities, so visitors should bring their own supplies, such as food, water, and sun protection. Due to its remote location and lack of facilities, a visit to Cala Conari requires some preparation, but the reward is a pristine, untouched beach environment that feels like a true escape. The boat ride to the island adds a sense of adventure, and the beauty of Cala Canari makes it a standout destination within the Maddalena archipelago. Orelito. Just a few kilometers from the town of Tortoli, Orelito is easily accessible yet retains a sense of tranquility away from the urban hustle. The beach at Orelito stretches for several kilometers, providing ample space for visitors to spread out and enjoy the sun. The sand is fine and golden, perfect for sunbathing and beach activities. The sea at Orelito is renowned for its clarity and vibrant turquoise color. The shallow, calm waters near the shore make it ideal for swimming and wading, especially for families with children. It is well equipped with amenities, including sunbeds and umbrella rentals, showers, and changing rooms. These facilities enhance the comfort and convenience for visitors. Numerous beach bars and restaurants are located along the shore, offering a range of refreshments and meals. Visitors can enjoy local Sardinian cuisine, fresh seafood, and cold drinks with a view of the sea. The beach is easily accessible by car, with ample parking available nearby. There are also designated areas with facilities for visitors with disabilities. This is the last beach of our selection. We hope it was useful to you, and we look forward to seeing you with our next videos.